In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open YouTube on Google Chrome. We'll keep it simple and clear, covering both the standard search approach and a faster, direct method so you can choose whichever feels most natural. First, open the Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, dock, or from your applications list. When Chrome opens, you'll see the bar at the very top of the window. This is the search and address bar, sometimes called the Omnibox, and it can handle both web addresses and regular search terms. Type the word YouTube into that bar. As you type, Chrome may show suggestions below, but you can simply press Enter to see the full search results. Your results page will appear in a moment. Here, look for the official YouTube website near the top. It will display the site name and the address youtube.com. You might see sponsored links or other video-related sites mixed in, so take a second to confirm you're clicking the one that clearly says YouTube and shows the correct web address. Click that official result and you'll be taken straight to YouTube's homepage. That's it. You're in YouTube and ready to watch, search, or browse. Now, if you'd like to get there even faster, use the direct method. Instead of searching, click into the same bar at the top of Chrome and type youtube.com, exactly like that, without quotes. Press Enter. This skips the search results entirely and takes you straight to YouTube. It's a small time saver that becomes second nature once you've done it a few times. Depending on your region, you might land on a slightly different version of the address, such as a country-specific domain, but it's still the official YouTube site. If the page doesn't load right away, try refreshing the page or briefly checking your internet connection. Also, if your browser shows a warning about an unfamiliar site, make sure the address is spelled correctly as youtube.com before proceeding. To recap, you can open YouTube by searching for YouTube and Chrome and clicking the official result, or you can jump there instantly by typing youtube.com directly into the bar and pressing Enter. Both methods are quick, reliable, and work the same on Windows, Mac OS, and most other desktop setups using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and now you know the fastest ways to open YouTube on Google Chrome.